want to level up your AI prompts, we have a few tips that you might find extremely helpful. First tip is be descriptive, like as descriptive as you can be. Basically, you need to tell a story. Let's try it together. So we're gonna open Photoleap and choose text to image. And then we're gonna type in our description. Now you can choose a style. This is optional, but it's very helpful. So as you can see, we have a woman wearing a dress with dark hair, sitting on a bench, looking at the mountains. Exactly what we wanted, right? The second tip is to use repetition, which helps us even insert a bit more details. So let's keep the same style and tap generate. Amazing. So now you can see that the woman has a white dress and we can see snow on the mountaintops. Amazing. Let's choose another style. Let's go with floral. I mean, how beautiful is that? Basically, each style adds a bit of a something extra to the photo. But the main thing stays the same. Our third tip, you can use specific artistic styles or artists. Let's go back and edit our description. Let's tap generate and see what we get. Beautiful. We can also change the wide angle to close up. Beautiful. And then just for the sake of this demonstration, let's change this into artistic styles. Beautiful. So once you're happy with the photos that you've generated, all you have to do is type save, and then it's saved to your gallery. And then you can either export it with a prompt or without, with a watermark or without. You can also choose to tap on edit and then edit the photo that you get in our editor. And after that, export it and then show it to the world.